Friends, how are you all doing? I hope everyone is doing very well. Friends, we are coming with new content for our video today. So, the new content for our video today is going to be how to fix Wi-Fi not showing up on Windows 11. Well, since this problem is common for many where you can't see the Wi-Fi option on your Windows here or it disappears. So, how do we fix this? We will show you in this video. So let's start the video without delay. So first of all, you need to go to the Windows option here. After going there, you will find an option called settings. You need to click on the settings option. After doing that, when you scroll a little down, you will see an option called network and internet. You need to click on network and internet. After that, at the very bottom here, you will see an option called advanced network settings. Alright, so simply you have to click once on this advanced network setting here. After doing that, when you come a little down, you will see an option called advanced sharing, network, then data usage. Below that, you will see an option called network reset. Alright, you need to click on your network reset option here. After doing this, you will see an option called network reset. You have to click your reset now. After that, you have to press yes. After pressing yes, you will receive a message in your email. So you have to keep the laptop on for about 5 minutes, or you can also keep it switched off. So after keeping it switched off for 5 minutes, you will see that this Wi-Fi option has appeared here. Friends, if you liked our video, then give a like, subscribe and share the channel. See you in the next video.